What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2006 BMW X3. Alright, so the car in question is this 2006 X3. This is what I really like about this one. It's a manual. How cool is that? This thing is super fun to drive. It's super clean too. This guy really does take care of it. Maintenance records from everything and everywhere. Pretty cool car. I like it. Alright, so let's get going. Alright, so to get to the air filter, this is your air filter box. Just pop these tabs up. They pop up. One there. One here. One on this side. One back here, and then one down there. After you got those popped out, just pick it right up. Bam. Oh yeah, definitely ready to be replaced. That is nasty. Much better. So just take it, slide it right in there. Just like that. Make sure all the edges are in, all around. Pop this back into here. I am doing this one-handed, so bear with me. So slide in there first, and then get it aligned. Just like that. Make sure it's aligned all around. Then you just take the tabs, put them back. So you take this little metal piece, put it back over here on the top, then you press down. Simple as that. This side goes the opposite way. The metal piece goes on the bottom. That. And this one, engine's a little hot, so definitely be careful. Bam. Done. Easy as pie. So this is definitely one of the shortest videos I'll probably ever do, but that's how you change the air filter on a 2006 BMW X3. So it should be the same on, I think, the 2003 to 2010 or so. Double check that yourself before you do this, but it's as easy as that. You can get the air filter from any auto parts store. You can go to the BMW dealership. You can get it online, whatever you want. I went with a Wix air filter. I got it at my local O'Reilly's. It was like 26 bucks or something like that after taxes. And that's it. Super simple. Don't go pay no mechanic to do this because they'll charge you at minimum an hour of labor, which, depending on where you go, it could be from $40 to $120. So why pay that when you can do this in literally the time that it took me to do this video? Under 5-minute job. So there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, share, follow, watch the videos. Comment if you want. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.